Alright, now that you've got the basics of authentication down, making sure users are who they say they are, let's take things up a notch. It's time to talk about authorization. While authentication is like letting someone through the front door, authorization is all about what they are allowed to do once they are inside. Are they just browsing, or they get full VIP access? Let's dive in. What is authorization? In simple terms, authorization is the process of defining and enforcing what actions a user can take once they've been authenticated. Just because someone can log in doesn't mean they can do whatever they want. For example, think of a shopping app. Customers can browse products, add items to their cart, and make purchases. Admins can add, edit, or delete products and see all customer orders. Support staff might only have access to view customer orders and offer help. These different sets of permissions are what we are going to manage with authorization. Rule-based access control, or RBAC. First up, we've got role-based access control, or RBAC for short. RBAC is like assigning everyone a specific role, admin or editor or user, and then based on that role, you define what actions they are allowed to perform. This is one of the most common ways to handle authorization because it's simple and super effective. Here is how it works. Define roles. You first decide what roles your app needs. For example, you might have admins, manager, user, or guest roles. Next, you assign permissions to each role. Maybe an admin can perform all actions, create, read, update, delete, while a regular user can only read and update their own data. Assign roles to users. Finally, each user is assigned one or more of these roles. This determines what they can do within your app. Example in action. Let's say we've got an app for managing articles. Admin can create, read, update, and delete any article. Editor can create and edit their own articles, but not delete them. Reader can only read articles. With RBAC, it's as simple as checking the user's role before allowing access to specific action.